I'm certainly trying to be on the more benevolent side of, you know, the black hole causing some of the heat death. You know, that's the big positive charge before you get to sunshine negative gravity and earth negative gravity of that whole thing. Newton's drawing on, where was it here? Let me go back. Oh, where is it? It's a nice tilt to the galaxy.
The universe is a place of wonder and awe, filled with galaxies that sparkle like jewels in the night sky, stars that burn with unimaginable heat, and planets that may harbor the seeds of life. But beneath this
Can't get a
beauty
good
lies
Milky
a
Way
darker,
cam the
more
galaxy.
terrifying reality, one that challenges
Okay,
our understanding.
freeze. Horizon, strip of the Milky Way galaxy. I sometimes I have a hard time at night because my tree line's not really good to have the Milky Way galaxy in there and what actually it looks like with whatever main lights you have in town. Really beat it up. But once you know that 23-degree angle positioned on it for Earth, New York, where I am, and that thing gets a spinning. So at night it passes consistently. Instead of being able to see the whole Milky Way galaxy in one shot, from your position it always stays the same. Now, North Pole to South Pole, or again, position Q and P here, hang with me. Um, that causes a lot of its own Brownian mechanics. Heat death on the Brownian mechanics would be time dilation on the planes, little vibrations, both planes caught knuckles, pockets. You can't really be determined on a straight line which way that is because it's a square law on the light issue of like hydrogen and helium, yeah, 1 to 30-year-old black holes. Right, you know, what forms that in the universe, Polly, about, we don't really talk about them because it takes that quintessence 2 or 3 phases in life before you're really living in that pocket where it's kind of relative to drawing out those diagrams for people, or like you can understand that, and that's going to help you out with a lot of your dark matter or dark energy in the equation of why your position didn't quite get to where it was supposed to be in the navigation. And in general, happy to help. I mean, that stuff happens along with some other forms, quarks, up, down, about that particle. The one solar mass black holes are real satellite galaxy bending light to the point where it lenses is an atomic level thing of a bond Brownian motion of the electron that you can't tell because the nucleus, proton, has some parts about it. Ionization, maybe you ate a lot of saltine crackers and that brain salt in your giving you hypertension and PSTD and everything else. Um, and those are going to cause little tiny what is it called? Yeah, air pockets. So they're cavitations or density differences in the air turbulence. But they're larger scale hurricanes. Inside of there, you'll see an area where there are 30 celestial mass black holes, 30 times comparative with supermassive black hole, your Hawking, your whatever, inside of there, where the scales work the same. The bonds kind of radial in the same way on time scales of black holes and what they were eating, the sunshine, what it was eating, Mercury, and any planets around it, Nemesis, null state. You want to do 42 days a night inside of there, vampires coming around. Well, I mean, line of sight there, what is it, James Webb's or Voyager with a gravity assist. That's how you would do it. I mean,